If the sleep option is missing in the Windows 10, follow these steps. Open the control panel. To open it, type in the search box control panel and then click on the first result. Now in this window, after making the viewing mode as large icons, locate the option Power Options. It is here. Open it. Now in the left pane, click on this option. Choose what the power buttons do. Click on this link. And now here, click on this link. Change settings that are currently unavailable. And then go down and put check mark towards this option Sleep. Then click here Save Changes. Close this window, and now you have done it. I hope this video will help you. Thank you for watching this video by iTech Tips. Please like this video and subscribe my channel for my new videos. Thank you.